Hello, my name is Josh. I'm a junior ECE major at the University of Rochester. I'm really interested in robotics. I work in robotics research, and I'm the president of the Robotics Club working on the NASA Lunabotics competition. I chose ECE because I've always loved computers, I've always loved electronics, and I love making things. So this is a major that kind of combined all of those. ECE is learning how every single piece of electronics works from the most basic level on the nanoscale level to combining everything and programming it. It's every piece of electronics from your smartphone to robots to rockets. Um, we understand how everything works. It's like combining physics and computer science to understand how every circuit element works on a physical nanoscale level, and then putting it all together and coding it and everything like that. I'm the president of the Robotics Club and main electronics lead for our NASA Lunabotics team. NASA Lunabotics is this competition hosted by NASA at Kennedy Space Center down in Florida, where the goal is to build a mock lunar rover similar to like Curiosity or Perseverance, things like that, that could feasibly work on the moon and complete some task, be able to navigate around craters and operate in a world without an atmosphere, I suppose. We competed in Florida 2 years ago, and this year we're going to be going down in person again, competing at Kennedy Space Center and University of Central Florida. Jack Molly has been a great professor. He teaches 101, 113, and senior design, maybe other classes. But his excitement for electronics really shows, and he's always willing to help out students with anything. Thomas Howard is also a great professor. He's helped me a lot with robotics. He teaches the robotics classes. So he's helped out with the Robotics Club and robotics research, of course. I got a position from knowing the professor through my work in robotics for the Robotics Club. At my work, I work on developing AI relating to human-robot teaming, specifically using natural language for these robots called the Astrobes. They're these robots currently maintained by NASA, and they're working on the ISS. There's a couple on the ISS right now. I get to do a lot of programming. I get to learn about AI. I get to learn about robots, and I even get the opportunity to possibly show off my work at a future conference, robotics conference, or even possibly getting to test at NASA Ames Research Center. Doing research as an undergrad, you get the opportunity to really delve deep into a topic that like class may kind of skip past briefly. You get to learn not only just the industry standard tools, but to use them in work that'll actually have a purpose and possibly be researched more in the future. So it's a very rewarding work. I think the robotics electives are a great introduction to robotics as a whole, and it's a direct pipeline to actually working with robots. We also have, of course, the Robotics Club and robotics research that you can get involved in. Specifically, ECE helps directly fund the Robotics Club and allows us to work on these projects. So I do think they help out a lot, and it really does help make it stand out. I worked as a workshop leader for ECE 101, where I got to actually have hands-on experience teaching my peers in teaching some material for a class that I took a year prior. And then I also host workshops for the Robotics Club, where I teach a bunch of engineering skills to students all throughout the university. Both opportunities I am learning many leadership skills, how to actually lead a group of students and teach skills to them. Really to seek out opportunities outside of classes. whether it be engineering clubs or not, having the opportunity to meet with people, or joining a club and joining like the e-board, you get to learn a lot of leadership experience. You get to learn a bunch of skills. Apart from that, also look for research, look for internships, so you can really learn some practical skills alongside the theoretical basis of the classes we're taking.